Just over an hour north of Auckland, getting here is as effortless as a smooth 3/4 wedge from 120. The south course was designed by Core and Crenshaw, and the north Tom Doak, the same icons behind Barnbougle in Tasmania. Both ranked in the top 50 in the world. Amazing acclaim considering they were only opened in 2022 and 2023. Stay in contemporary ocean view suites, cottages and villas. Dine across multiple on-site restaurants, from wood-fired pizzas and relaxed clubhouse bites to refined 5-star seasonal cuisine. 2 championship experiences. The north, raw, natural, breathtaking. The south, strategic, sculptural, unforgettable. Ocean views on nearly every hole. Get in touch today and let's get started. What are you waiting for?